Pay no attention to this. How you like my hairdo? How you like my hairdo? It's really cool, isn't it? Yeah. No, it's not. No, it's not. I got no hairstyle and I'm wearing a tight on my head. Check it out. What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a newbie, please do hit the subscribe button. I am Kanima, and in today's video, I will be showing you how I make my homemade Belgian waffles with homemade strawberry syrup. Let's get cooking. So let's do some prepping. We're gonna need 2 cups of milk. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it. You're gonna stir it and set it aside for 5 minutes. I'm gonna take 2 eggs, whisk, set aside. Now let's work on the flour, the dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're gonna mix everything together, and then we're going to form a well. Just like so. You're gonna pour your milk in with the vinegar mixture that's been sitting for a while. Add your whipped eggs, that's 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, use unsalted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Mix it well, but try not to over mix. A little bit of lumps is fine. Now you're going to get your waffle maker. You're going to prep that by spraying it with a little bit of cooking spray. You don't have to do this after every one, but I like to do it. You're going to use 3/4 of a cup of batter and put it in there. And you're going to let your waffle maker do the rest. When the light turns green, you pop it open and you get your delicious waffles. Yes! So I'm gonna do this a couple of times, and I'm gonna tell you that I get about 5 from here, and then once it's done, you let it cool just a little bit, and then I wrap it in foil. Now you're gonna count that and you're gonna see it's 4 instead of 5, but that's because we've been eating, okay? Don't get too rigid on me. So I cover it with foil when it cooled a bit to make it, to keep it warm. Let's work on the blueberry syrup. Let's work on our strawberry syrup. You're gonna get like 10 fresh strawberries, or enough that when you cut it, you make sure you wash them good, okay? But you need enough that when you cut it up, you get a cup of chopped strawberries. So here I'm measuring it for you so you can see. Nice and red and yummy. 2 tablespoons of sugar and the zest of a lemon that's in a bowl. Now I'm gonna mix the sugar with the lemon. That's just what I do. Work it in. You're also gonna need the juice of the lemon. Boom, that's it. So you're gonna go over to your pan that's nice and hot on medium heat. You're gonna put your strawberries in and all the ingredients, the sugar mixture with the lemon zest. Then you're gonna put in your lemon juice and you're gonna let it bubble. Yes, just like that. Now I like to make this at the last moment because I happen to like warm syrup on my waffles. I might be weird. Cover and boil for like 5 minutes. The longer you boil it, the more thick it's going to be. Put it in a jar. Now if you want it cool and you like a cool syrup, do it ahead of time and put it in your fridge to chill. But I like it warm with like butter and stuff. And let me tell you, this is what you have, this delicious right here. Now I will put some syrup on my on my waffles, but don't judge me that it's all skimpy because I have picky kids and I didn't want to dredge all of the strawberries on top of it and then only one kid eat it. So the ones on top, my older son is going to eat, and the ones at the bottom with no syrup or sitting on the side, the little one is going to eat. So that's it. This is what actually happens in my house, Kaneem at home. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Comment down below if you will try my recipe. And let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And enjoy! See you in my next video, guys. Bye!